Hi everyone, it's Lehman with Lace Covered Skies, and you might think that this video is sponsored by Ross, but it is not. I don't do sponsored videos. I wish I could, but I don't. I wanted to show you guys this haul. I forgot about it, but in January, Ross clearances out their stuff, so I went this year many times. I think that's why I forgot about this haul, because I just kept leaving them in a pile. But they sell things for really cheap, and I found clothing that I could use because they're cheaper than thrift stores. So I found this. I've been looking for this type of material, and this shirt right here, you guys are going to be mind blown. This shirt, brand new from Ross, 50 cents. I don't know if you can see that, 49 cents right there. It's so cool. This right here is something that I always look for. This really cool shiny material that is a champagne color, my favorite. I love these sleeves. And this was also 49 cents. So cool. And then I found this. This is more of a long sleeved dress. It's a dress, so it's a lot longer than the other two pieces, or the other piece, but this was 49 cents as well. And I love it. It's very easy to love something when it's just 49 cents. This was so cool. I was trying to like find more of this at different Rosses because I figured like maybe people wouldn't buy it to wear it. But I only found one, and it was $1.99. But it's just such a cool material, so sheer. All right, more shiny material. I love that this is a little bit warmer than that other champagne one. It was $1.99. It's like a long sleeve button down, and there are these little applique things, or rhinestone things. All right, now my phone is running out of space. I'm like filming hauls today, so it's running out of space and almost running out of battery. So this might be, I'm gonna try to make this pretty quick, but I found this really cool texture. Love this cool blue. It's like a cool periwinkle, I think, and this was 99 cents. And I'll probably be able to use a lining. It is stretchy, which I don't like. I like the linings that are not stretchy, but it has a sheen to it, so I think that'll be pretty. Found this really long, like, it's kind of like a dress, but it looks like a jogging suit material. I know it's very 80s of me to say jogging suit, but that's what it seems like it is. And it's velvety, and it just feels like creamy or something, but a lot of that to use there. And this was $1.99. This here was a really cool texture, and it's just actually really pretty. I love the buttons. This was $1.49. So you guys watch out for next January. It'll be here before you know it. And then you can go and try to score these types of deals. I was looking for a lot of lace back then. Since then, I've gotten a lot of lace. So I don't know if I would have picked this up before, but I got this for 49 cents. So I guess you can't really go wrong there. And then this one, it's a tiny piece as well, and it's lacy for 49 cents. Have you guys seen deals like this? I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. But have you guys seen deals like this at Ross or anywhere? It's just so cool. I think I've mentioned before that I used to do a lot of couponing, and I would find like really cheap or even free things at stores. It's definitely takes a lot of time, and it's a separate hobby in and of itself, but it's a lot of fun. But I think this is my favorite piece from all the Rosses I went to. Let me know what you liked the most from this, or maybe you just liked the price. If I remember, and if I go to these Ross sales next year, I'll try to make videos that are like right away, so that you guys can go and see if you can score some of these deals as well. But thank you so much for watching today, and I will talk to you next time. Bye everyone.